My name is Tatsia. I'm a third-year intern in Holland Composites, and I've just finished my internship doing the thermoplastics repair. Oh, you're already running?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're used in the aviation industry, for example. Yeah, like the leading edges of the aircraft. Let's say that the tools of the mechanic falls on the surface that is from thermoplastics, then that probably needs to be inspected in order to see if there is any delamination or if there's to see any, I don't know, disbonding or any damage inside the part. And if there is, then there needs to be repaired. Created basically a carbon fiber PPS laminate, which is this, with the autoclave. And the goal of this is to make a repair. This part was CNC'd and at an angle of 3 and 5 degrees. And then the next step was to apply the patches on it and then cure it. The patches need to be in the same material and they should be at the same orientation. We put it inside the lower die, the upper die, and put some aluminum sheets on top, and the heat transferred from the upper die on the upper surface of the repair locally, and it was being cured like this. It is at a controlled temperature and pressure of both sides, of the upper and the lower, so we can control which side we want to melt. And you can see the cured plate after the patch is being applied and putting it inside the press. Now that, as you can see, like the part has been repaired and cured, the next step was to validate the repair itself, and that was being done with the tensile test. This is how the laminate was before being tested. And this is the aftermath. As you can see, it's being painted white with some black dots. We used the camera for the digital image correlation, and you can see that it failed. It failed near the repair area with something we want. The vision is that you could actually repair a thermoplastic laminate by using, for example, the press forming in order to cure the patches. And I would say that basically the main challenge for the thermoplastic repair is the application of the heat, because it requires really high temperatures. And as you can see, that this laminate has been cured by using the press forming machine, which cannot be really transported in an airplane. More different applications, such as the hot bonders, can be used in order to cure instantly the patches. Yeah, it has to be tested afterwards in order to see how the performance is of the laminate. At the end, I learned a lot about specifically thermoplastics, but in general about also the manufacturing of carbon fiber and everything around composites basically.